Poppia Studio. Start.
Stroke. There are two types of stroke. Hemorrhagic strokes are caused by a ruptured artery, and ischemic strokes result from a blocked artery. Cataracts. It is clouding of the eye's natural lens which lies behind the iris and pupil. Diabetes patients have greater risk of developing a subcapsular cataract. Diabetic neuropathy. Complication of diabetic neuropathy is loss of a limb, Charcot joint, urinary tract infections, and hypoglycemia unawareness.
Pancreas malfunction. The complication is pancreatic cancer, malnutrition, infection, and pseudocyst formation. Diabetic nephropathy, leading cause of end-stage renal disease. It can lead to kidney failure. Some of the complication is anemia, hyperkalemia, and end-stage kidney disease.
Game over.